The project came about from having visits to many companies and them saying that there are not many programmers coming out of colleges or schools in North Wales. So I tried to think of how I can make programming fun so it can spark the interest of young people. We created a Robot Wars themed day. So the idea was a group of students had to design, create and program a robot to fight at the end for a winning robot to come out.
I always watched Robot Wars when I was younger and I loved it. And then of course I sort of found out it was more like Lego, and I played a lot with Lego when I was younger as well. And then the coding side of it sounded really interesting to find out how the sensors worked and all that sort of thing. So I jumped at the chance to sort of to try and have a go.
The most challenging aspect of the project, I would say, for the students was initially the programming, because they'd never seen the software before, they've never programmed before. This was all new to them. But actually on the day, I gave them the software, gave them about half an hour to an hour tutorial, and they went away and they did it themselves.
It really helped improve our confidence and our team working skills, because we were just randomly put together, we got to know each other and then we got to try and work with each other. So it was really fun and it was an interesting challenge.
I think it's made the students more confident with programming. Beforehand they said, I can't do that, I can't program, I'm not a programmer. And since then they've gone to program in the NXT, which is the robot software, and VB, Visual Basics. So they've learned 2 programming languages this year.
She's been incredibly helpful and she's made it all fun and enjoyable. And she's given us every sort of bit of information that we need to know. We've been clearly told what we need to do from the get-go, and she's helped us every step of the way. Whenever we have an issue, we ask her and she's there to help us without fault. I
think learning should be fun. If I had the chance to do this when I was in school, I would have loved it. So by doing something differently, the students are more engaged, they enjoy coming to lessons, they want to see what else I can do that day. I was gobsmacked I was shortlisted. I was so happy, I was thrilled, not just for myself but for my students. I couldn't believe it.